Hi, it's nice to meet you. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm Jack. Nice to meet you, too.
So, Jack, do you come to this cafe often?
Not really. It's my first time, actually. How about you?
I come here every Saturday morning. I love their coffee. What about you? What do you usually drink?
I'm more of a tea person. But today I decided to try their cappuccino. It looks good.
Oh, you'll like it. It's my favorite, too. By the way, how do you like the weather today?
It's perfect, sunny, but not too hot. I love this kind of weather.
Me too. It makes me want to spend the whole day outside. Do you have any plans for today?
I'm just relaxing after a busy week. Maybe read a book later. And you?
I'm meeting a friend in the afternoon, but for now, I just want to enjoy my coffee and the quiet.
Sounds great. I always like quiet places to think. So, what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I create logos and websites. What about you?
I work in marketing. I help companies promote their products online.
That's interesting. Marketing must be challenging.
It is, but also fun. You have to be creative.
Definitely. Creativity is important in both our jobs.
Absolutely. So, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love painting and hiking. What about you?
I enjoy playing guitar and cooking.
Nice. Maybe you can cook for me one day.
Haha, maybe. I'm still learning, but I try.
Well, Jack, it was really nice talking to you. I hope we meet again soon.
Same here, Emma. Have a great day.
Hey, Jack, weekend is coming.
Yeah, finally. Any plans?
I think I'll just relax at home. Maybe watch some Netflix.
Nice. Anything good to watch?
I'm starting a new series. It's about detectives. Super exciting.
Oh, cool. I love crime shows.
And you? What's your plan?
I'm going hiking on Saturday. Need to get some fresh air.
Wow, where?
There's a small mountain nearby. Not too hard, just perfect for a lazy guy like me.
I should go hiking too, but I'm too lazy.
Come with me next time.
Maybe if you carry me?
What about Sunday?
Brunch with friends, then probably shopping.
Classic weekend.
Totally. What about you?
Guitar practice and cooking.
You and your cooking again.
Hey, one day I'll open a restaurant.
And I'll be your first customer. So, lazy weekend or active weekend?
Bit of both. Balance is the secret.
True, relax, have fun, enjoy life.
That's the plan!
See you Monday then.
Can't wait. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you next episode.
Hey Jack, what's your favorite movie?
Oh, good question. Let me think.
Come on, you must have a favorite.
I guess The Avengers. I love superhero movies.
Classic. Who's your favorite superhero?
Iron Man, for sure. He's funny and super smart.
True, I like Spider-Man. He's cool and young.
Good choice. Do you watch a lot of movies?
Not really. I'm more into TV shows now.
Oh, like what?
Crime shows and comedies. I just finished Friends again.
No way. I love Friends.
Who's your favorite character?
Joey, of course. He's hilarious.
Haha, I like Chandler. His jokes are so bad. They're good.
Totally. So, TV shows or movies?
TV shows. I like long stories.
I prefer movies. Quick and fun.
Do you go to the cinema?
Sometimes. But Netflix is easier.
Same. Popcorn at home is cheaper too.
Haha, that's true.
One day, we should watch a movie together.
Deal! But only if you choose popcorn.
Always popcorn. Both laugh.
So, what's your plan for tonight?
Maybe start a new show. Any recommendations?
Yeah, I'll text you my list.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe and see you next time.
Hey Jack, I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's talk about food. That will help, right?
So what's your favorite food?
Easy. Pizza. Always pizza.
Classic. What's your favorite topping?
Pepperoni and extra cheese. What about you?
I love pasta. Spaghetti, lasagna, ravioli. I could eat pasta every day.
Haha, Italian food fan. I respect that.
Totally. What about dessert?
Chocolate cake. No question.
Oh yes, chocolate is life.
You know what? Now I'm more hungry.
Same. Should we go eat something?
After we finish talking, yes.
Do you like cooking?
Sometimes I can cook pasta and omelets, very basic.
Better than nothing. I'm bad at cooking. I burn everything.
Jack, I'll teach you someday.
Deal. What's the weirdest food you ever tried?
Snails, in France.
No way.
True story. and they were actually good.
Wow, I'm not that brave.
Come on, food is an adventure.
Haha, I'll stick to pasta, thank you.
So, pizza party one day?
Absolutely, with chocolate cake for dessert.
Perfect plan.
Thanks for watching.
See you next episode.
Jack, do you remember your childhood?
Of course, I was a crazy little kid. Laugh.
Same here. What's your funniest childhood memory?
I once tried to ride my dog like a horse.
No way, what happened?
He ran, I fell, and my mom screamed.
That's hilarious. I remember once, I painted the walls with crayons.
Classic. Were your parents angry?
Very, but they kept the drawings for years, left
That's cute. What was your favorite toy?
a teddy bear named Mr. Fluffy.
Ha ha! I had a robot. I wanted it to fight aliens.
Kids have the best imagination.
Totally. I believed monsters lived under my bed.
Same. I used to sleep with the lights on.
Childhood was simple. Playing outside, cartoons, ice cream.
And no homework.
Best part!
Do you miss being a kid?
Sometimes. No stress, just fun.
But being an adult has its advantages.
True. Like eating ice cream for dinner. Laugh.
Haha, you're still a kid inside.
Always. Never lose your inner child.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next episode.
Hey Jack, if you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
Oh, that's easy. Japan. I've always dreamed of going there.
Japan? Nice. Why Japan?
The culture, the food, the technology, and then, of course, anime. Laugh.
Haha, classic. I think I'd choose Italy.
Italy for the pizza?
Exactly. Pizza, pasta, history, and beautiful places.
What city in Italy?
Rome or maybe Venice. I love old cities.
Venice sounds amazing. Boats instead of cars. That's cool.
Do you prefer cities or nature when you travel?
Nature. Mountains, lakes, silence.
I'm more of a city girl. Shopping, museums, cafes.
Haha, we're opposites.
Maybe, but both are nice.
True. Traveling is always exciting.
What's your dream activity when traveling?
Trying local food.
Same here. Food is part of the adventure.
Have you traveled before?
A little. France, Spain, and Canada.
Wow. I've only been to one country, Mexico.
You need to travel more.
I know. One day.
So, next trip. Japan for you, Italy for me.
Or we travel together.
Deal, world tour.
Let's go.
Thanks for watching.
Welcome back to Double Langue Academy. Today, let's laugh a little with funny work stories you won't believe.
Hey Jake, have you ever had one of those days at work where everything goes completely wrong?
Oh, definitely. Let me tell you about the time I accidentally sent a meme to my boss.
Wait, what kind of meme?
It was a cat meme. You know, the classic, I can't work today, I'm too cute one. Meant to send it to my friend, clicked the wrong name. Boom, my boss.
Oh no, what did they say?
She replied, well, at least you're honest. I was so embarrassed.
That's hilarious. Mine is worse though.
No way, try me!
So I once walked into the wrong meeting room and gave a full 5-minute presentation before realizing I was in the wrong department.
No, how did no one stop you?
They were too polite. One guy even clapped at the end.
Honestly, I respect that. Did you just leave quietly?
I said, well, thank you for your time, and walked out like I meant to be there.
That's gold. I think we all have that one workplace story that haunts us.
Or becomes a running joke for years, like people still call me the guest speaker.
I once tripped on the office carpet, spilled coffee, and broke the copier in one move. 3 for 1.
That's talent, my friend.
But seriously, it's stories like these that make work bearable sometimes.
True. You can't take everything so seriously. Sometimes you just need a good laugh. And they make the best after-work stories, too. Next time, let's ask listeners to send in their stories.
Yes, we could read them in the next episode. Welcome to Double Langue Academy. Today, Emma and me talk about learning something new and why it's never as easy as it looks.
Hey, Jake, so I've been trying something new lately. I started learning the guitar.
Nice. That's awesome. How's it going?
Terribly. My fingers hurt, the strings buzz, and I can't even play Happy Birthday yet.
Yeah, learning a new hobby can be brutal at first. I remember trying to learn how to draw.
Oh, really? I didn't know you were into art.
Well, I thought I was, until I tried drawing a cat, and it looked more like a potato with ears.
That's still better than my first guitar sound. It was basically noise.
I think we all imagine we'll be good right away, but the reality is way different.
So true. Social media doesn't help either. People make everything look so easy.
Exactly. Learn piano in 30 days. Yeah, sure. I couldn't even figure out which key was C.
I feel like the hardest part is sticking with it. Like I want to quit every 2 days.
Same. But you know what helps? Setting tiny goals, like today I'll just learn one chord, or draw one shape.
That's actually a great tip. I've been trying to play one song slowly. Very slowly, like turtle speed.
Hey, slow is better than not at all. Progress is progress.
What's a hobby you've always wanted to try but never did?
Cooking. I can barely boil pasta.
Come on, you just need a recipe and some patience.
I once tried to make pancakes. I forgot the flour.
How do you forget the main ingredient?
Exactly. It was more like sweet scrambled eggs.
That's a whole new recipe right there.
What about you? Any hobby you're afraid to try?
Maybe dancing. I have 2 left feet. Literally, I'm a disaster on the dance floor.
Oh, come on. Dancing's all about feeling the rhythm.
Yeah, but I feel the rhythm 3 seconds late. Thanks for tuning in to Double Langue Academy. Trying something new is never easy, but it's always worth it. Let us know what hobby you're learning in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun, everyday conversations in English.
Welcome back to Double Langue Academy. Today, Emma and me talk about shopping habits, silly purchases, and tips for saving money. Let's go. Hey, Emma, quick question. Be honest. How much money did you spend the last time you went shopping?
Do online orders count?
Oh no, that bad?
Let's just say I went online for socks and ended up buying a blender, 3 candles, and a cat bed. I don't even have a cat.
Impulse shopping at its finest. I did the same with a smartwatch I never wear.
Why did you buy it?
Because the ad said limited time offer and I panicked.
We really need to learn how to resist those traps.
Totally. Do you have any money-saving tricks?
I tried the 24-hour rule. If I want something, I wait a day. Most of the time, I forget about it.
Nice. I try to use cash when I can. It hurts more to spend actual bills than swiping a card.
True. I also started making shopping lists and sticking to them. No more just looking.
Yeah, just looking always ends with a new jacket or shoes.
And don't even get me started on grocery shopping when I'm hungry. Worst idea ever.
Oh yeah. Last time I went hungry, I bought 4 kinds of chips, cookies, and a frozen pizza I don't even like.
What's the dumbest thing you ever bought?
Easy, a banana slicer.
Wait, what? Why?
I don't know. It looked fun, but I have a knife.
I once bought a smart water bottle that lights up to remind you to drink. I used it twice.
Marketing is powerful, especially with those TikTok made me buy it trends.
Yep, been there.
But sometimes it's okay to treat yourself. We just need balance.
Exactly. Spend on what matters and skip the banana slicers.
Unless you really love bananas. Thanks for joining us at Double Langue Academy. What's your best tip to save money or your funniest shopping fail? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-life English conversations.